Hello. Now we are going to learn about API keys in Postman. But before that, let us quickly understand what API keys are. So, API keys are one of the authentication and authorization mechanisms, and it is pretty simple and straightforward. So, what happens is that the user registers itself with the service or the API it wishes to access. Here, the user can be anything. It can be a human, it can be another program, or it can be a device. But basically, it registers itself with the service provider. Upon registration, the service provides it with a unique identifier. This is known as the API key. Now, what is this unique identifier? At the very basic level, these are nothing but random strings, which the server will use to uniquely identify your request. Once you have this API key, you will pass this key with each request to be able to access the API. Now, the server can allow this key to be passed in multiple parts of the request. It can be header, it can be your query parameters, or cookies as well in some cases. But as usual, some ways are not very secure, like passing this key in query parameters is not very secure. Typically, these API keys will also have some access rights associated with it. Hence, we can say that API keys can be used for both authentication, that is identifying the user uniquely, as well as authorization, that is to decide if the access is to be granted or not. There can be various other uses of these API keys as well. It all depends on how the server has implemented the API keys and how it has used it. Many a times it is also used to log number of times a particular user is trying to access an API and also limit the number of usages according to the rules. Now, one important thing to note about API keys is that it is very necessary that this API key is stored securely and is only known to the client and the server. If not done so, anyone can use this API key and impersonate that user and try to access the service. Of course, just like basic authentication, API keys cannot be considered secure in itself, and hence it is necessary to use these API keys in conjunction with other security mechanisms like SSL and TLS.